3-piece spicy.
Oh, we don't have spicy chicken in here, I'm sorry.
Oh, you don't have no spicy chicken. You have famous balls?
Alright.
You have famous balls?
What's the drink?
Give me Coke or Pepsi with little bit of ice. I'm gonna fill it up with too much ice.
No ice?
Yeah, little bit of ice, little bit.
Okay. Anything else?
No, you know what? Change my mind. But I want that. Give me the You have meal deal. Can get 1-piece barbecue, 1-piece original.
Alright, you said a 2-piece, 1 original, 1 crispy?
Yeah, you have that.
What was that?
I say if you have that, if you have the two,
Alright, it's all dark. 1147.
1147.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, thank you. Remember not to fill up the drinks with too much ice, yeah? Just little bit.
Alright, I'll put a light ice. Bye.
You understood my accent.
Thank you.
What you say?
Free lemonade.
Oh, thanks, yeah, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.
We got a Marie from Jamaica, St. Lucia. I mean Jamaica. I'm sorry. It's on the card. I apologize. Marie, pronounce these words as fast as you can as a Jamaican. You ready, Marie? My bond ready.
Dynamite,
Dandymite.
wax and cannon,
Wax and Canada.
film,
Flim.
accoutrements,
Accoutrement.
lack of effort,
Lick and promise.
haphazard,
Helter skelter.
certificate,
Surfing. Ticket. Body
fainting,
come down.
loose clothes,
Hang pan nail.
foreplay,
Catchy shubby.
meticulous,
Neat and fine.
untidy,
Haul up, shawl up.
predominant,
Predominant. Maybe from before last week? Maybe last week? Greetings, and my name is Whoppy. Good evening. My name is Philip. Who controls Jamaica? Politician? Nah. Gunman? No. Matalan? Nah. Then is who control Jamaica?
Minivan people control Jamaica. One driver and dozen conductor. Yeah, minivan people control Jamaica. One driver and dozen conductor. Yeah, whoever born the jolly bus down. A long time ago. Whoever born the jolly bus down. I don't know. Hey, don't me go a whisper with no go catch a minivan. Some a hold up on me shoulder. Some
Yes, man, because every time... Buddy was talking about it. And then now Keisha... us 7 times. And then Keisha told Donovan. And you know what Donovan said? Donovan said... And that was it. Can you imagine though? What's that fragrance you're wearing? It's delightful. Is that Grace Noir? Your beard is a good look. Finally, you look like somebody picnic. Like you grow somewhere. Like you have mother. Yeah, man, you clean up real good. Welcome, everyone, to the World Annual Conference. Is there anyone here from Germany? Aha, yes. Anyone from Australia? Right here. Thank you. Yes. United States? Oh, we are here. And is there anyone here from Jamaica? Wait, there! People dead! Dead! Later! Box food? Yeah, Sesame Street in our colors.
This place is lovely. Thanks for inviting me. I'm having so much fun. So how much of your other ladies you bring come here? What's she order? So you and her been back here since?
Okay. No, me not vex. Nicht mein excite. No, I'm not ready. Oh, well, I've just been working on my career, trying to become a better person. Me used to open umbrella in the house when me did liquor. Oh, me? No, me don't talk. I don't have a thing more to say. Me don't talk. Oh, I not say not another word. You think me feel a way? I don't feel no way. Because if them don't want to listen to what I have to say, I don't have anything to say. Them would have better off if them listen to me. But I don't force anybody. Taxi. But they don't like the way I do things. They should be worried about how they do things. Morning, driver. Driver, if you ever know the crosses I have to face. Morning, Thelma. Morning, guys. I said if I ever tell you what happened to me in my own house this morning, you see. But me don't talk. Me not saying anything. No. Saying that they don't want me to bake the Christmas cake this year. But that doesn't bother me. Alright, tomorrow, guys. Evening. So who's baking the cake this year? I am so sorry to learn about the passing of Krebby. I extend my deepest condolences to the family. What? But yesterday me see Krebby, you know? Me see Krebby yesterday. Me and him I make 4. Him say howdy and me say wagwan. And you tell me say Krebby cheap out? No, sir, this can't real, cause me show you vibes. Last week, Tuesday, Krebby said to me, say, him a go make me and him and him cousin them and my cousin them go and market. Imagine, and him did look good and everything. Him look alright. Him never look sick now, nothing like that. No, sir, something wrong. Get your facts straight because I yes to them. Me look pan Krebby and see Krebby. Yeah, because I was thinking it was more than like the same thing, but you know, oh, a little pothole there. But you know, yeah, what me I say is me would bring it up too tough, you know. But more time if you have to just why me care? We got pothole in the road, man. Government can't fix the road, them man. Mash up me little piece of car now. I feel it, man. Baby, you alright? Last week me fix the front end, you know. And time they fix the road, the pothole them just open up back same way and just mash up people car. Cha. Oh no, that is so unfortunate. I'm so sorry to hear. What are you gonna do? Into the thick of it. If I said that, oh, you know, but I come near me, I don't want you to rub off for me. Into the thick of it. January rough for you. So what you gonna do? Oh, you want salt so? No, so you have to go wash off down a river. Oh, the view is breathtaking. Look at the beautiful trees, the water, the artistic landscape. You can imagine if somebody all dropped down off fire, so. Dead as neat. Broke up all where they no got. Foot would have gone, hand would have gone, head would have mash up like watermelon. Come we go inside because this not safe. Oh yes, man, big and serious, man. I did plan to get my PPV, you know, and stop run robot. Right? Yeah, man, I know that, man. But from this Uber thing coming now, it's like we can't get no passenger, you know? And that not go good for we. You understand? Babylon, I deal with the thing a way, brother. We they are also for a lot. Hey, nice lady. Hey, nice lady, one already. No, you can't catch me with that again. I'm waiting on Uber. You see all them tinga no party? See all them tinga? Yeah, baby. I'm here from Uber. Yes, $100 for the ride? Nah, baby. The app wrong. 3 bills 50. But the app say $100. Yeah, I copy price for me. One already. What you gonna do about it? Janet. Come here. Yes, Grandma? That'd be nice. Me have a little something for you. Well, I'm panties, you see? Take that and buy something nice for yourself. And not tell your mother, you know. Not tell nobody, you know. Not tell your father neither. Buy something good for yourself, alright? Yes, Grandma. Alright, Mama, we'll leave out now, yeah? Janet! I want a little picking there, man. Janet, oi! Come, we're ready, man. I want that in your hand. What, Mommy? That brown something they wear in your hand. Let me see it. Nothing, Mommy. Give it to me. I will keep it for you. No, Mommy, but his Grandma give you back answering me? But Mommy, his Grandma give me the money that I could spend and do something nice for myself. And hush up your mouth. Me ask you nothing? No, Mommy, I want to keep the money for myself. You want something to cry for? No, Mommy. Give it to me. Frank. Morning. Breakfast ready? Breakfast not ready yet. Okay, not ready as yet. All right.
9 o'clock.
What time you going
9
ready?
o'clock.
9 o'clock? Alright, I will come back then.
Do that. Come back.
Okay, I come back for the breakfast. What you have now?
Breakfast done.
Breakfast finished already?
Yeah, it done.
Alright, what time is lunch?
12 o'clock.
Alright, me come back for lunch. Okay, me come back for lunch now.
Lunch not ready yet.
Alright, what time you going ready?
12.
Alright, me we stay and wait. Come, I don't want it finish. You ready now? Okay. Alright, me get fried chicken with a little curry gravy, please.
That done.